Today's topic of discussion is understanding leadership. Now, before we start, I would like to remind the rules once again. Everyone, except the panelists and the host, are requested to be on mute with their videos off. I request the panelists to keep their presentation short and not take more than 8 minutes. If you have any questions for the panelists, please type them into the chat box, and I appeal to the panelists to type their answers in the chat box itself if possible. This session is recorded, and you all are kindly requested to refer to the Rodic social media channels to listen to the session. You may also share the link with your friends and family. Let us begin the webinar we are eagerly waiting for. Friends, the topic for today's session is understanding leadership. We all can agree how important leadership is in everyone's professional as well as personal life. Leadership is about making others better as a result of your presence and making the impact lasts in your absence. So, on this note, let me introduce our respected panelists for today's session, who will be sharing very interesting talking points on this subject. Our first panelist, Mr. K.D. Singh, Senior VP and Business Unit Head of Power Energy Sector with Rodic Consultants. He is in Rodic since 2015, and he was one of the key persons in the first PMZ work of Rodic in Jharkhand in the year of 2002 to 2003, having around 26 years of experience in the field of infrastructure, industrial and consultancy work. He has worked as planning and quality control engineer for prestigious Mumbai-Pune Expressway and has vast experience of work in steel and power plant. Let us move on to our panelist two. Mr. Kanyaji Anand is presently working as a senior quantity surveyor for Gangapad project in Patna and with us in rank of general manager for Rodic Consult. He has more than 20 plus years of experience in field of construction management of highways, bridges and tunnels. So rate analysis, contract, bid document preparation, and town management in different organizations. He is a lifetime member of Institution of Structural Engineers, Institution of Engineers, and All India Management Association. And moving on to our third panelist, Mr. Leelanand Chowdhury. He is the AVP of Contracts at Head Office in Rodic Consultants. He has more than 23 years of total professional experience, primarily in engineering and construction business for large and complex infrastructure projects such as metro rails, highways, tunnels, bridges, and railways, many of them funded by external agencies such as World Bank and ADB. He has wide range of expertise which includes business commercial contracts and project management. And moving on to our last panelist, Mr. Kiran Vishwaroop, who is a team leader for Goa Gondapur project, has an experience of working in construction and supervision of highways. He has worked in various hydro and road projects like Lakwa Dam, Indra Sahar Dam, and Katak Bhubaneswar project, four laning of Kolga to Karagbur project, etc. A very warm welcome once again to all the lovely panelists. So let us start with the first question from Mr. K. D. Singh. Sir, I would request you to please switch on your video and unmute yourself, and please share your PPT. Good afternoon, sir. Sir,
Good
I
afternoon.
would like to put forth this question. What is leadership and who is a great leader and what qualities should top leaders exhibit?
थैंक यू संगर्थी। सिरोटी के फैमिली सभी फैमिली मेंबर्स जो प्रेजेंट हैं, जो जुड़े हुए हैं, जो जुड़ेंगे और जो सोशल मीडिया से देखेंगे, उन सभी को भी मेरा प्यार भरा प्रणाम। बहुत ही बढ़िया टॉपिक, रिलेवेंट टॉपिक, शानदार टॉपिक्स। इस पे घंटों बोला जा सकता है, लेकिन घंटों बोलना ठीक नहीं होगा। लोग बोलता है कि बोलना चांदी है तो चुप रहना सोना है। बड़े बुजुर्ग बोल के गए हैं कि लोग जब 2-3 साल का उम्र का होता है तो बोलना सीख जाता है, लेकिन ज़िंदगी निकल जाती है कब बोलना है, कैसे बोलना है, क्या बोलना है, कहाँ बोलना है, ये सब सीखने में। तो कब बोलना है, कहाँ बोलना है, कैसे बोलना है, ये सारी बातें ही लीडरशिप है। समय की पाबंदी है और समय की पाबंदी को फॉलो करना और डिसिप्लिन में रहना भी एक लीडरशिप है। इसलिए मैं सीधा पॉइंट्स पे आता हूँ। Leadership is about communication, responsibility, influence, motivations. to every good quality tagged with his leadership, to empower other peoples to get your goals, results, and all these things. It's like a beauty. It's a hard to define, but it's a matter of feelings. You can feel the leadership. So every good quality of like a motivation and empower the other people is a leadership. And the next question is the who is a great leader? Mahatma Gandhi told us great leaders lead by example. Readers are leaders. About 2000 years back, the one son of South Indian, Mr. Thirukkural, is written that dig deeper the sand well, more water flows. Read deeper, more wisdom grows. इस 2000 साल पहले लिखी हुई बात से इंस्पायर्ड होकर हमें एक लीडर, बहुत ही बढ़िया लीडर मिला जिसे हम लोग एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम बोलते हैं। दूसरा, आवाज इतना क्यों डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है? ऑब्जर्वर्स आर लीडर्स। ऑब्जर्वर्स आर लीडर्स। अब यू डोंट नीड टू री इन्वेंट द व्हील। हमारे जो बड़े लीडर्स आसपास के लिए, देखो कोई ऑन किया माइक्रोसॉफ्ट टीम के अंदर, उसको बोलो बंद करने के लिए, डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है। तो वी शुड ऑब्जर्व फ्रॉम लीडर्स and implement. That is also a quality of leadership. And great leaders empowered the pupils, not using the power for positions. जब बात आती है लीडरशिप की तो लॉट ऑफ एग्जाम्पल्स ध्यान में आते हैं। महात्मा गांधी, अब्राहम लिंकन, नेल्सन मंडेला, मदर टेरेसा, बिल गेट्स, रिटायर्ड हुए हैं। ये जो सारी बातें नीचे लिखी हुई है, ये उसी महेंद्र सिंह धोनी जी के लिए लिखा हुआ जो एक दूसरे ग्रेट लीडर श्री नारायण मूर्ति जी ने उनके बारे में बोला। मैंने सिर्फ कॉपी किया है, ये सारी बातें लिखी हुई है। लेकिन जब लीडर और लीडरशिप की बात आती है तो एग्जाम्पल्स में सिर्फ एक ही नाम, और वो नाम है लॉर्ड कृष्णा। लॉर्ड कृष्णा इट्स एग्जाम्पल ऑफ लीडरशिप, इट्स ए लीडर। अब बात उठती है कि व्हाई ही सच ए ग्रेट लीडर एंड लीडरशिप। तो मैं एक एग्जाम्पल शेयर करना चाहूंगा इस चीज को समझाने के लिए। महाभारत का युद्ध चल रहा था, आप लोग सबको पता है। अभिमन्यु वध के बाद अर्जुन ने वचन प्रण लिया था कि आज सूर्यास्त तक मैं जयद्रथ का वध कर दूंगा, अदरवाइज मैं अग्नि समाधि ले लूंगा। तो जाहिर है उसको जयद्रथ को वध करने के लिए बहुत ही जोर शोर से युद्ध चल रहा था और अर्जुन भी लगे हुए थे पूरा युद्ध करने के लिए, कौरव भी पूरा जयद्रथ को बचाने के लिए लगे हुए थे। तो करीब युद्ध के तीसरे पहर में कृष्ण भगवान बोलते हैं कि अब थोड़ा देर के लिए रुको, मुझे घोड़ों को मालिश करना है, उनको रेस्ट की जरूरत है, उन्हें पानी पिलाने की जरूरत है। सोचिए उस क्रूशियल कंडीशंस में जब युद्ध का आर पार की लड़ाई चल रहा हो, जीवन मरण का सवाल हो, तब अपनी रिसोर्स का केयरिंग करना, इट्स ए ग्रेट लीडरशिप। तो अपनी रिसोर्स का केयर। आप इसका दूसरा पहलू देखिए, जब अर्जुन और कृष्ण का युद्ध चल रहा था, अर्जुन और कर्ण का युद्ध चल रहा था, तब कर्ण ने एकदम बिल्कुल हेड पर निशाना लगाकर और एक तीर छोड़ा जिसका काट अर्जुन के पास नहीं था। भगवान समझ गए, भगवान ने अपने अंगूठे से रथ को दबाया और चारों घोड़ा एक साथ बैठ जाते हैं और तीर जो है ऊपर से निकल जाता है। उन्हें रिसोर्स ने क्यों उनका इशारा समझा? क्योंकि भगवान कृष्ण ने उनका केयरिंग किया था। जब बात केयरिंग की आती है तो हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस की बात होनी चाहिए। हमारे अब CMD साहब भी काफ़ी केयरिंग हैं। लाइक एग्जांपल, जब हम सभी लोग का, स्टाफ लोग का, चाहे एक्सरसाइज के लिए जिम उपलब्ध कराना हो, चाहे स्विमिंग के लिए इंसिस्ट करना हो, या सारे लोग का हेल्थ चेकअप करा के उस रिपोर्ट्स को फैमिली को भेजना हो, इट्स ए मैटर ऑफ केयरिंग। जब मेरी आवाज आ रही है
जी? आ रही है
जी, थैंक यू सर।
क्लियर आवाज आ रही है सर?
थैंक यू। इट्स ए मैटर ऑफ केयरिंग, और मैटर ऑफ केयरिंग हम लोग को समझ में आया लॉकडाउन के पीरियड में भी। जब लॉकडाउन हुआ और हम लोग घर पे थे, तो ऑलमोस्ट सारे बिग ब्रांड, बिग ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, स्टार ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, जहाँ पे ये प्रयास कर रहे थे कि यार घर पे ही हो ना, तो ये काम कर लो, वो काम कर लो, ऐसे कर लो, वैसे कर लो, वहाँ पे हम लोग शाम को 6 बजे इंसिस्ट किए जा रहे थे कि आप एक्सरसाइज कीजिए, आप योगा कीजिए, आप अपने जुड़िए, फैमिली को जोड़िए। इट्स ए मैटर ऑफ केयरिंग। इसी में केयरिंग में मैं हेल्थ के लिए पिछले साल मैराथन ऑर्गेनाइज कराया था, जिसका मैं संचालन कर रहा था। और संयोग से उस समय हमारे मामा जी, जो 6 साल वाइस चांसलर भी रहे यूनिवर्सिटी में, वो आए हुए थे और उन्होंने बहुत ही अप्रिशिएट किया कि भाई तुम्हारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन तुम लोग के हेल्थ के प्रति इतना कॉन्शियस रहती है, काम करती है, इट्स अ वेरी गुड। हम लोग ने भी अपने इंस्टीट्यूशंस के लिए काफ़ी काम किया, बट रिग्रेटेड कि हेल्थ के लिए या इस तरह टीम वर्क के लिए हम लोग नहीं किए। यू नो कि सरकारी सिस्टम्स है एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स। जब सरकारी सिस्टम्स की बात आई तो मुझे एक और ग्रेट लीडर्स का ध्यान आया, जिसका मैं जिक्र करना चाहूँगा, जिनको मैं बहुत ही एडमायर करता हूँ। आई एम ए ग्रेट फैन ऑफ दैट लीडर, जो श्री प्रत्यय अमृत सर। ही हैव डन लॉट ऑफ टर्न अराउंड। मेरे पास उनका बहुत सारा ये नहीं है, लेकिन 3 टर्न अराउंड तो एकदम नज़र के सामने है। पहला, जब वो बिहार में रोड डिविजन्स में थे, तो बिहार में 50-60 साल में जितना ब्रिज नहीं बना, उतना ब्रिज उन्होंने 2-3 साल के अंदर बनवा दिया। वहाँ से उनका ट्रांसफ़र हुआ पावर डिवीजन में। इट्स कंप्लीटली टर्न अराउंड। मैं एक एग्जांपल देना चाहता हूँ। पावर में जब सर ने ज्वाइन किया था, तब कुछ लोग सेलेक्ट हुए थे यहाँ से, इंजीनियर्स लोग, और वो मध्य प्रदेश में जाके ये ट्रेनिंग लेने गए थे कि काम को कैसे किया जाए। और सर के ज्वाइन करने के 2-3 साल के अंदर ही ऑल ओवर इंडिया के एमडी, सीएमडी, चीफ इंजीनियर, डायरेक्टर सबको बुला के बिहार में 8 अगस्त 9 अगस्त 2017 को ये बताया गया कि काम कैसे होता है। देखिए, खुद पावर मिनिस्टर्स एंड प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स ने बोला कि जाके काम देखिए कैसे पावर में बिहार में हो रहा है। और अभी ज़्यादा दिन नहीं हुआ है, अभी पावर स्वास्थ्य विभाग में बिहार सरकार की किरकिरी हो रही थी कि हम लोग पॉजिटिविटी रेट में टॉप पे थे, टेस्टिंग में बॉटम पे थे, और कुछ ही दिन में सारे स्टाफ्स वही हैं, सारे सिस्टम्स वही हैं, सारे फैसिलिटीज वही हैं। टर्न अराउंड कि टेस्टिंग में आज हम टॉप पे हैं और पॉजिटिविटी रेट में बॉटम पे हैं। इसको कहते हैं लीडरशिप। इट्स ए क्वालिटी ऑफ गुड लीडर। बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल्स हैं, समय की पाबंदी है इसलिए मैं आगे चलूँगा। ये अगला क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट क्वालिटी शुड टॉप लीडर्स एग्जिबिट। तो इसमें मैं एक बहुत ही बढ़िया बुक है, द 7 हैबिट्स ऑफ हाईली इफेक्टिव पीपल्स, मैं रिकमेंड करूँगा कि सब कोई पढ़े। इसमें 7 टॉपिक्स दिए हुए हैं, क्वालिटी क्या है। तो इसका मैं नहीं ज़्यादा एक्सप्लेन करूँगा, ये हमारे कलीग्स हैं कन्हैया जी, वो इसमें ज़्यादा एक्सप्लेन करेंगे। इसके आगे एक सर ने एक बुक दिया था, गुड टू ग्रेट, इट्स ए वेरी गुड बुक। इसमें लीडर्स की 5 लेवल्स दी हुई है। ये भी ऑलमोस्ट सेल्फ एक्सप्लेनेटरी है, फिर भी मैं लेवल वाइज इसका जो मीनिंग्स है, लेवल 1 में वो होते हैं जो परफॉर्मर्स हैं, सेल्फ परफॉर्मेंस स्किल है, सब कुछ वो परफॉर्म करते हैं, बट इंडिविजुअल परफॉर्मेंस है। लोग बोलता है अकेला चना भाड़ नहीं फोड़ता, इसलिए इंडिविजुअल परफॉर्मेंस का ग्रुप गोल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में बहुत मायने नहीं रखता। दूसरे लेवल्स वाले पे परमिशंस के क्वालिटी के लोग होते हैं, जो टीम का काम दे दिया गया और टीम का काम अपना कर दिए, परमिशन जो करने का किया गया वो कर दिए, उसके बाद उनसे कुछ लेना देना नहीं है, सिंक्रोनाइज हुआ नहीं, सिनर्जाइज हुआ नहीं, कोई नहीं, इसे कॉल है परमिशन लेवल। थर्ड होता है प्रोडक्शन लेवल पे, जहाँ पे हम लोग मैक्सिमम हैं मैनेजर्स हैं, जो सारे रिसोर्स को ऑर्गेनाइज करके और एक गोल्स को प्रोडक्शंस में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं, रिजल्ट में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, दैट इज अ प्रोडक्शंस लेवल। चौथा लेवल है पीपल डेवलपमेंट। ये काफ़ी है, जब गोल्स अचीव करने के साथ साथ जो भी हमारा टीम काम कर रहा है, जो भी हमारे मतलब मीन्स सक्सेसर डेवलप करना, इट्स ए गुड लीडर का काम है. एंड लास्ट इज अ पिनाकल. आई एम नॉट entitled to describe that. It's a self-explanatory, and it's beyond my capacity to explain the 5-level executives. मैं इस पे एक एग्जांपल देना चाहूँगा. गेट टू ग्रेट, गुड टू ग्रेट ही से ही बुक से है. जब न्यूपोर स्टील्स ने ये डिसाइड किया कि वी हैव टू गो फॉर द वर्ल्ड क्लास स्टील प्लांट, तब उन्होंने एक डिसीजन लिया कि इस प्लांट्स में विजिटर्स एंड सेफ्टी को छोड़ के जितने भी लोग हैं टॉप टू बॉटम, एक यूनिफॉर्म, एक बैच, एक कैट, सारा कुछ एक जैसा रहेगा. तो लॉट ऑफ लोग सब्जेक्ट, मैं तो ये हूँ, मैं वीपी हूँ, मैं वो हूँ, मुझे ये फैसिलिटी, मुझे वो फैसिलिटी. बोला गया भाई आपकी सारी स्टेटस एंड अथॉरिटी आपके लीडरशिप कैपेबिलिटी पे डिपेंड है, आपके पोजीशन एंड पोस्ट पे नहीं. ये आज हमें जिम कॉलिंस जी गुड एंड ग्रेट में बता रहे हैं. ये 5000 साल पहले कर्ण के लिए लिखा जा चुका है. 5000 साल पहले आपकी पोस्टिंग रिस्पेक्ट सारी जाति से, गोत्र से हुआ करता था. इसलिए रामधारी सिंह जिनकर जी कर्ण के लिए लिखते हैं, तेजस्वी सम्मान खोजते नहीं गोत्र बतला के, पाते हैं जग से प्रशस्ति अपना कर्तव्य दिखला के. ये भी एक मैटर ऑफ लीडरशिप है. मैं आगे बढ़ता हूँ. दो चीज़ के लिए सर ने 2 किताब दिया था. एक भगवत गीता, जिसका एग्जाम्पल से समझ में ही आ गया होगा कि मैं कितना भगवत गीता से इन्फ्लुएंस हूँ, और दूसरा गुड टू ग्रेट. और दोनों बुक का जिस्ट एक ही है. दोनों बुक का जिस्ट एक ही है. भगवत गीता बोलता है कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचनम, और गुड टू ग्रेट बोलता है कि आप कुछ भी काम कर सकते, बस क्रेडिट का लालच छोड़ दीजिए. मैं इसी शब्द के साथ अपना प्रेजेंटेशन को फिनिश करता हूं. थैंक यू.
थैंक यू सर.
थैंक यू सर.
मतलब मार्च का भरा था या
Thank you for some great insights about what it means to be a leader and and by giving us examples of Lord Krishna from Mahabharata, and also talking about 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Covey. I'm sure most of us have read that book, sir. Thank you. Thank you for your presentation. Now, I would like to invite Mr. Kanyaji Anand to share his views on what are the different types or styles of leadership, and how should leaders lead in an unprecedented time like COVID-19? Sir, can you please switch on your video and unmute yourself? And Mr. Hari here will assist you with the slides. And please let us know when you have to move on to the next slide, sir.
Please bring the first slide. This is the first slide. Second slide, you bring it. First of all, I will thanks to the Sangrati to ask a question. We feel proud to reply your both questions. If you see the last webinar, Mr. Raghbender Bhatt discussed different types of leadership in session of change management. And we will also remember the view on leadership by Mr. KD Singh ji in this session. Just now, he completed their session. So first of all, I will like to discuss about the basics in leaderships. We already discussed about the types of leaderships by the Raghbender Bhatt. If you go in that, and if you go in further deep and focusing on work, we are observing that leadership style mainly depends on 5 types of quality and activity. That is, first is how leader approach the vision to grow the organization in terms of work, human resource, and to establish a strong organizational bond. Secondly, how leader directing the subordinates. Third, how leader coach or train the subordinate to escalate the work. Fourth, how leader support or help the subordinate to complete the job. And fifth is that how leader delegate the work for individual responsibility to complete the job. So here we discussed about the basics of the leaderships, and now we are in position to question your answer. Please third slide. So let us see the first question asked by, which is what are the different types and styles of leaderships? The best leaderships is the one that meets the challenges we are facing and the needs of the people we are leading. Effective leaders are often flexible and are able to change their style of leadership to suit changing circumstances. If you look about the Rodic concern, our organizations involved in the business of project management consultancy, mainly we are preparing detailed project report preparations. We are supervising the project. We have work of bidding activities, account activities, billing, administration, and human resource development work. To look the Rodic concern, we will discuss mainly four styles of leadership, which is most effective in present Rodic business and may effective for the futures. That is first one, I will take that classic type style of leaderships. That is, it depends upon the personal quality. Person may be like a bureaucratic, maybe like a autocratic, maybe like a democratic or a laissez-faire. Example, if you take a laissez-faire leadership style, a leader who have positive idea is that employee who are working in the designated work and post, they will work in group and ultimate result will come to us. He is a positive motivator. He is good for expert team, particularly for our supervision team. And secondly, we will talk about the strong leaders, that is called maybe authoritarian leadership style or Y type leaders. When a leader dictates policies, procedures, decides what goals are to be achieved, and directs and control all activities without any meaningful participation by the subordinates. Even this leader has full control of the team. It is very good for the detailed project report preparation, for the bidding activities, for the account activities, billing and administration team activities. Then third, I will take the participative type styles of leadership. It may be called the democratic leadership style also, may call X and Y type also. It trying to include everyone in the decision making. Regular meeting at each level is a compulsory activity under this leaderships. One of the most effective leadership style because it allows lower level employees to exercise the authority and what not even exercising the authority, the thing is reaching to the board also. It is a best for human resource development and legal issues. And fourth, we will talk about the transformational styles of leaderships. It may be amalgamations of the all styles of leaderships. In this, how leaders can bring change in organizations and in workers. It may be best for the policy formulations, for the business development of the organizations. And if you take the example, our MD is a good example of the transformational styles of leadership style, who created a special path for Redick in this COVID region. So this is the answer of the first question. We will go in the second question. Our second question is how should leaders lead in unprecedented time like COVID-19? Of course, we will reply this question by a case, very a small case study. That is, we will take on COVID-19 a case study. Coronavirus outbreak 19 is a pandemic described by World Health Organization. We should like to know that how it is spreading. When corona infected person sneeze is the real issue, which increasing the corona patient after coming in contact. So what are the symptoms and what may be the medications? This is a type of virus which have different symptoms in four stages. This virus have a four stage. The first stage is called the COVID nose. It is living for half day, and the symptom is nose feels dry or wet, dry, cough, tiredness, may fever. What should be medication? Steam inhaling, gargle. We have to take vitamin C, bio combination 6 twice a day, 4 hour interval, 4 tablet. Usually no fever in this stage might be. And in the stage 2, COVID in throat, it is reaching to the throat. Symptom is sore throat, headache, HH, and pain. or loss of taste. Life hope in this stage is 1 day. What medication should be there? We have to do hot water gargle, steam inhaling twice a day, warm water to drink. If temperature, then take the paracetamol. If we have to take vitamin C, B complex, biocombination 6 4 times a day with 4 tablets for 1 day. We have to do deep breathing exercise. If severe, then we have to take the antibiotics also. Then if you will not taken the care of the 2 stage, then it will reach to the 3rd stage. 3rd stage in it is reaching to the lungs. What is the symptom of that? Coughing, breathlessness, chest pain, loss of voice. Its life is 4 to 5 days in here. What should be medication for that? We have to do hot water gargle, steam inhaling twice a day. We have to take arsenic album, biocombination for 4 times a day, vitamin C, B complex once a day. We have to test oxygen at 6 hours required. We have to take paracetamol if fever. We have to use cylinder if severe. We have to take liquid as required. We have to do deep breathing exercise to control that. If you will not take care up to 5 or 6
बोल रहे
days,
हैं देखिए अनम्यूट हो गया मेरा
stage 4, when approach to hospital. When we approach to hospital, when oxygen level reach to the below 50. What is the normal level? 80 to 100. So life is, it may go long time. What should be medication for that? We need immediate oxygen cylinder if available in office or at home, and medication should be such as a stage 3. Now we will take this COVID in how we implemented this in Gangapat project and how motivation from senior management to got it. To watch the sensitive media, a staff of Gangapath was worried for the health. To look the situation, we introduced in office herbal drink of giloy, ginger, lemon, gargle for need in Gangapath office from 18/03/2020. Daily burning of camphor and ghee batti in office, increasing the oxygen in the office. A staff regularly attended the health program organized by the HO. In lockdown, a staff worked from the home also. Like other organizations, Rodic does not cut the cost, layoff. A staff forcing employees work from home on less pay, continuously communicated with a staff for motivation and engaged the family of a staff. Regular webinar, innovative program, TED Talk really keeps a staff motivated. A staff followed the rules of World Health Organizations, that is social distancing, use sanitizations, cleaning of hand regularly, and putting mask on nose and mouth. Not a single staff suffered with corona or cold or cough who attending office regularly. Findings. What are the findings of that? If you look the stage in COVID, we feel virus is more common word in India, which we are accepting every year 4 times in season changing. Hence, it is not required to be panic in this case. For betterment, particularly for construction project, we should provide a facility of gargle in office, such all staff after reaching to the office, provide gargle facility. Secondly, if little trouble in nose or throat, provide 4 tablets of biocombination 6, provide herbal drink once in a day, and smartly keep the kit of medicine described below to control issue. Hence, no way work will hamper. On the above step, Gangapath office is not closed a day on the transformational styles of leadership in this unprecedented time like COVID-19. If we'll talk about the medical kit of the COVID-19 and activity required in office or home, we'll describe now. For the office, we need paracetamol tablet, homeopathic medicine like arsenic album, biocombination 6, betadine for the gargle, vitamin C, D, and B complex, vapor plus capsule for the steam, oximeter and oxygen cylinder for emergency only, sanitizer, mask, Arog Setu app for each staff, herbal drink once a day, giloy, tulsi, asti madhu, ginger, lemon, etc. And laptop to all staff to effectively work from anywhere in any situation. Home activity will describe, it is required to compulsory to do the self-help kriya by the each persons, include warm-up yoga, 10-minute pranayam. It includes Bhastrikang, Kapalbhati, Brahmari, anulom vilom, deep breathings, each 5 minutes, meditations 10 minutes, and gargle, vapor inhaling, and 2 drop oils required to breathe. So this is the required, and what how we tackled the this is the case study. We tackled this situation by on the method of transformational styles of leaderships, and by that we control the situation. Not the Gangapat office. We'll say that our MD control the whole team of the Rodic in this very worst condition, and we are in very comfortable position in 2 days. Thank you. If any question, please. Thanks.
Thank you for sharing your inputs about different styles of leadership, sir. Yes, sir, I totally agree. Our CMD, Mr. Rajkumar, is an excellent leader, and you excellently explained about what a leader should do in times like these. And I would request the audience to put up any questions that they have in the chat box, and we can discuss it during our question and answer section. And now, moving on to our next speaker, I would like to invite Mr. Leelanand Chowdhury sir, who will talk about what is the difference between a leader and a manager, and what are great leaders doing that perhaps the other leaders are not doing. Sir, would you kindly please switch on your video and unmute yourself, and please share your presentation.
Yeah. Thank you, Sangati. I'm audible.
Yes, sir, you're audible, sir.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Mr. Hari, please put on the slides. Yeah, thank you, Hari. So we have a nice start, and I'm very thankful to Kiri sir. He has given a very elaborate discussion on the leadership. And Mr. Kanhaiya ji, he has also explained the details of leadership, and in the previous situation how the leaders are influencing the masses. Now the question arises: how we differentiate between a manager versus a leader? Next slide, please. So, in our day-to-day interaction in our organization or any institute we visit, we see very different kind of structure, and there is a person appointed by virtue of its power and authority. He is controlling a group of people. He is a taskmaster who perform the professional activities required for the organization, namely concerning the business. We are into the activity of planning, organizing, commanding, controlling. He has action plans, he execute, organizes team, he assign tasks to the concerned persons, and control those tasks to be completed in a time-bound manner. But whereas, what is the leadership? A leader, to me, to sum up in one sentence, the person who guides, inspire, and lead by example a group of people. Next slide, please. So the question arises, yes, how we do differentiate between a manager or the leader? And there are many attributes, there are many functions which a manager does and leader does, which are both are important, but there are differences in between both. Hari, next slide, please. So the difference between these two managers and leaders are elaborated here. I will just put a couple of things. For leaders, it's people first. They always value the human resource of the organization and always facilitate their functioning, their upliftment in the organization. Whereas a manager focuses on the things, they focus on the task and get the things done in a time-bound manner. Leadership is about doing the right things. What is right for organization? What is right for my people, my company? What is right for a nation? What is right for society? Are we aligned for a sustainable development? These are the things and decision a leader takes. Where our managers do the things right. They have been assigned a role, they have given a task, and that task is getting executed in a assigned manner, in an organized manner. Leadership is talking about inspiration. They inspire people to become better in their own field. They try a new arena, to get new expertise and to grow. Whereas managers deal into planning the things. Leadership about influencing, motivating, and building a team. Whereas managers are organizing, directing, and controlling the team. Overall, leaders shape the entity. They give the company a vision to look forward to, where everybody is aligned, whereas managers follow the rules. Next slide, please. Now, there have been many studies across the world, and one of the great academician and next slide, please. European academician is professor in European University, Manfred Ket de Vries. He has in his book, and he has almost published 200 papers on the leadership. So he has focused on a few of the attributes or tasks which differentiate between a manager and leader. Okay, take a few like leaders are looking forward to the future, whereas manager deals with the present situation. To say in a company, leader talks about a vision 10 years from right now. Manager talks about the task or the annual target for the current fiscal year. Leadership is always about changing. They always appreciate the change. Whereas managers are comfortable in stability. Leaders engage in vision. They develop teams. They align their teams towards the common goal or vision of the company. Whereas managers are focusing on the procedures. Leaders try to simplify the things, whereas managers are some are happy in complexity in dealing the day-to-day task of the company. Leadership is about trusting their intuitions, whereas managers are often using the rational minds to logically control the action plan of the company. Next slide, please. To sum up, we find that leaders are one who has a big idea, a vision, and the leader align everyone around him to a shared and inspired vision. So everyone owns that vision and look forward and work towards achieving that vision. Whereas manager focuses on completing the task assigned to them. Next slide, please. So again, we have a question now, getting the different points between the leaders and managers. We have sometimes wondering that what is a great leadership about? And I would like to take a talk about the example of field leadership, and I think everyone would be aware of Dr. Abdul Kalam, and he has quoted in one of his live interaction with the people about his vision as a director to launch a satellite. And in 1973, he has been assigned that role by Professor Satish Raman, who was the chairman of ISRO, with a team of around 5,000 and plus people working on the project. In 1979, the satellite was ready to launch. However, there was system check was going on. The counting was beginning T minus 10, T minus 3, T minus 2 minutes. But computer asked that no, there is something wrong in there is some leakage in the fuel supply, and you should stop. But scientists team were very confident. So they asked Dr. Kalam what to do. Dr. Kalam said, relied on his team and said, fine, we will go ahead. And the rocket was launched. However, to the utter surprise, stage 1, stage 2 went well, but in stage 3, the rocket fell into Bay of Bengal. Now, this was a disaster. Everybody was disappointed. Then the chairman, Professor Satish Raman, came to Dr. Kalam and he said, no problem, don't worry. Let us go for press conference. Dr. Kalam was that time he said in his own words, he was afraid how he will face the public. So much labor and everything now is a waste. Now, the Professor Raman has taken the lead here, and he said to the press, look, this is a failure, and I accept the entire responsibility. And our all employees, or everyone worked very hard, and definitely I believe that within a year time, the team will be ready to launch the satellite again. And this was a big relief to Dr. Kalam. And in the next year itself, Dr. Kalam and his team was ready with the relaunch of the satellite, and this was a successful mission for India. So this is an example. Dr. Professor Raman has set the example that whenever there is a crisis or failure, he owned that. And again, after the successful mission, he asked Dr. Kalam that now it's your turn, you go and address the press conference and answer the questions for the successful mission. So these are set by the people. People see leadership. Leadership is not an earned position, or nobody can give you a leadership position. The people are inspired and look up to you for your guidance, for your advice, for your insight, for your vision, and that is leadership. So what a great leader focuses? They focus on the what is right. They don't focus who is right, but that rather they focus on what is right. They set the direction. They align people and motivate and inspire. You will often ask them, always ready to help. They always trust you. They appreciate your work. Their priority is your career path, and their success lies in success of the team. With that, I end my presentation, and I will take questions after the presentations are over. Thank you.
That was a wonderful presentation, sir. Thanks for making us understand what separates a leader from a manager. We had some very key points to take away from your presentation. Now, let us move on to our final panelist, Mr. Kiran Vishwaroop, who will share a few major reasons for failure in leadership. Please share some examples of a leader who you may have worked with and has done with extraordinary to surprise you. Sir, I kindly request you to switch on your video and unmute yourself and share your PPT. Thank you. Hello. Hi. As we are not able to connect with Mr. Kiran Vishwaroop sir at the moment, let us take on some question and answer that we've got in our chat box. And first, let us start with the first question for Mr. K.D. Singh sir from Mr. Alok Mengi. So, some are born leaders, but for most of the leaders, the qualities are to be imbibed. How do you think we can do that?
थैंक्स अलॉट महंगी साहब. हमसे ही क्वेश्चन है ना? हेलो, आवाज आ रही है?
Hello.
हाँ सर, आवाज आ रही है.
Sir, you're audible.
हाँ, ओके, थैंक यू. महंगी साहब, सबसे पहला ही दिया था कि किसी को भी लीड बाय एग्जांपल या लीड फ्रॉम फ्रंट करके ही सिखाया जाता. पहले जिसको जो सिखाना है वो पहले करके दिखाना है. तो जब करके आप दिखाएंगे, आप क्या कहते हैं, हम क्या कहते हैं, इससे बहुत लोग को फर्क नहीं पड़ता. हम क्या करते हैं, इससे बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. तो किसी कोई भी चीज़ सिखाने के लिए सबसे पहले करके दिखाना है. जिस सिचुएशंस में जो भी सिचुएशंस हो, उस सिचुएशंस को कैसे हमने टैकल किया और हमने कैसे सिचुएशंस को फेस किया, और सिचुएशंस को फेस करके सिखाना इज द बेस्ट वे टू इम्बाइब.
Thank you, sir. Now let us move on to our next question. So, how does Mr. Ravi Shankar has asked this question? So any of the panelists can answer it. So, how does a leader accept or face criticism that comes in his way?
इसका भी आंसर हमारे भगवत गीता में दिया है. वह सम स्थिति, आलोचना में, प्रशंसा में, सब चीज में एक समान. तो कृषि, इसको यही था ना क्वेश्चन?
हाँ सर, you are right. Question was how to face the criticism.
या, तो समस्थिति इज अ मेन की फैक्टर टू फेस द क्रिटिसिज्म. बी काम. अगर आपका विजन सही है, आपका वैल्यू सही है, आपका पाथ सही है, तो क्रिटिसिज्म से आपको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. आप कीप एंड काम, अपना काम करते जाइए.
Thank you, sir. Now, Mr. Kiran Vishwaroop sir is back online. So let us move on to our final panelist. Sir, can you please switch on your video and unmute yourself?
Yeah, am I audible and visible?
Yes, sir, you're audible, sir, and visible.
Yeah. Yeah. So, good evening, everybody. And today's topic given to me is reasons for failure of in leadership. Can you put on the slide, please?
Hello, sir. Your PPT is still not visible. Can you please share your...
It's okay.
Sir, the PPT is still not visible.
Now it's okay.
Sir, it's okay, sir. We will share your PPT from our end. So it's visible now.
Yeah. Can you put a slide on there?
Yes, sir, sure. Sir, you can please start, sir. It's visible.
Yeah. Everyone can be a leader, yet only a select few can become a great leader, which has been a great leader is always able to lead a team to success, regardless of the situation that they are facing. Next. Next slide, please. Please go on to the next slide. Here are the major reasons for failure in leadership. One is the overconfidence. Second one is the lack of motivation. Third is the poor understanding, having wrong expectation, failure to communicate a vision, ignoring relationship building, lack of social skills, giving, forgiving, and loving. So we'll talk in detail, a little bit elaborate in the next slide. Next slide, please. Go to the next slide. Hello. Now, first one is the overconfidence. Tendency of humans to overestimate their abilities is a common, but only through experience can a leader's view be properly tested. Underconfidence is also one of the reasons of failure, but not as much as overconfidence. The second one comes to the lack of motivation. A lackadaisical attitude and complacency can, in fact, anyone who fails to remain focused and enthusiastic about what they are doing, motivation is a contagious. The third point is poor attitude. The leader are expected to be cheerleaders for their organization and to have people willingly follow them. When a leader's attitude is poor, people will tend to run away. Next slide. Next slide, please. Hello. No, you have gone a little bit one slide away of it. Yeah, just a minute. There. Failure to delegate authority. It is asking regarding responsibility to others, yet don't give them the authority to carry out assigned duty. And good leaders know they are always responsible regardless of how much they delegate. The blindness of reality, whether by idolatry or simply intellectual laziness, not knowing what is going on, puts a leader at great risk of failure. Then failure to listen. Leaders don't have all answers, and so they must listen to those who are closer to the real action and have the knowledge of make good decisions. Having Wrong expectation also is one of the reason. Next slide. Having expectation beyond the ability of a person, and they don't spend time to this so as to make the best effort to do well here. The next reason is failure to communicate a vision. Next slide. Part of leadership is creating a vision, but also ensuring everyone knows about it. And that should be very clear, and the methods of achieving should be established. Having wrong expectations. So failure of the leader is also failure of the leader having wrong expectation beyond the ability of a person, because they don't spend time to this so as to make the best effort to do well here. Then the next reason is ignoring the relationship of building. It's a it is a complex issue, but easy task which is often ignored. This is one of the common reason for the failure of the leadership. Come to the next slide. Then lack of social skills. If you cannot get along with the people, at least connect with them so they have better understanding with you, and should have the inner sense to understand that you are equally responsible for their betterment. Then the next is giving. What do you mean by giving? Leaders don't give themselves so other can succeed. That means you don't spend time in coaching and developing your people. That means put them aside when they are high and faulting, and give them a shoulder to cry on when times are tough. Forgiving the people. The people makes mistake. It's a common phenomena. People who work, they do the mistakes. If they acknowledge them and seek to make amends more forward, get over it. A leader cannot afford grudges. If rubs negatively on others and drain energy from the team. And the last part of it is loving. One should be passionate. What you want to do, it will rips off on the entire team and enjoy your work. And the people with when he works is one that energy get the people to follow you. Now the next part of it, so it has given the share the example of a leader who have worked with you. I would like to share about this one. Mr. Rajkumar ji, our MD sir, I think we have worked together in 2001 and 2 at NH2, sorry, from Barhei to Barakatta, 4-laning works. So when I was from working as a works manager from HCC, and Dr. Raj Kumarji Joki representing for the enhancement of the beautification of the temples, etc. So from those days, I am seeing his struggle, and as on date, as on around 20 years have left behind, and I could see the rise of a person as a company, as an individual, for which I can equally view the quotes of Bill Gates. Leaders will be those who empower others, And if you see the growth of Roddick and Mr. Rajkumar ji, Winston Churchill has well said, kites rise highest against the wind and with it. With this, I conclude my small discussion on this issue. Thank you.
Thank you, Kiran sir. Great points put forward. And the reasons you stated will help us not make.
You have to live selfless. The moment these three ingredients you are going to nurture in your veins, probably other things will follow. And whatever has been said by all our speakers, and even I was looking on the interactions, probably rest everything will become the branches of this tree which you are going to implant. So by examples, so by your action, so by your deed, and so by your intention, live for your people. Your people will be ready to die for you. Many a time I have seen, as rightly Mr. I think K.D. Sharma was giving an example of our great Abdul Kalam. He was giving, even in his interaction also, many a times he has used his, our ex-president has used this in his deliberations also. You see, when there is any success you enjoy as a team, but when there is any failure, at least your people should be always ready to feel that we have somebody who is going to take care of ourselves. Until and unless you are not going to give that sort of feeling in your team, probably even you will not be able to prove as a wonderful manager, forget as a leader. A leader always produces the leader. The moment you are worried about even your position, even about your own self, probably you will not be able to guide the team. Practice it. Together, definitely you will prove to have a wonderful leadership, not one, two, complete leaders. The moment I am talking about the leadership, it's not by one person. And we will definitely succeed, and we'll see a wonderful pyramid, a wonderful story for our Rhodesians in days to come. Thank you. Thanks to all of you.
Thank you, sir, for the great insight. With this, we come towards the end of this webinar. Stay tuned for the next webinar on Friday. Thank you all.